In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Klaviyo. Whether you're building a one-off campaign or working inside an automated flow, adding images the right way makes your emails more engaging and on brand. I'll guide you through the process from opening the editor to previewing on desktop and mobile, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way. First, open the email editor. From your Klaviyo dashboard, go to Campaigns if you're sending a one-time email, or Flows if you're editing an automated sequence. Create a new email or open an existing one you want to modify. Then click Edit Content to launch the drag and drop editor. This is where you'll build the layout and add your image. Next, add an image block. On the left-hand panel, find the image element. Click and drag it into your layout exactly where you want the visual to appear, above a headline, between text sections, or in a product area. You'll see a placeholder appear in your email canvas, which means it's ready for your image. Now upload your image. Click the image block you just placed, then select Upload Image. You can upload a file directly from your computer or choose from your Klaviyo library if you've already stored brand assets there. PNG and JPEG files are commonly used, and keeping file sizes modest helps emails load quickly for your subscribers. If you need to choose or replace an image, simply pick an existing one from your library or click Upload to add a new file. This is handy when you want to test different visuals or update a seasonal banner without changing your layout. After your image is in place, customize it. Add a link so clicks go to your store, a product page, or a landing page. Adjust the width to fit your design. Full width for banners, smaller for icons or logos. And set the alignment to left, center, or right to match your layout. Tweak padding to create breathing room around the image so your content feels balanced. Most importantly, add descriptive alt text. This helps with accessibility and can improve deliverability, since some inboxes block images by default and will display your alt text instead. Finally, save and preview your work. Click Preview and test to see how the email looks in both desktop and mobile views. Make sure the image scales well, the link works, and nothing feels cramped on smaller screens. When everything looks right, you're all set. That's it. Your image is now added to your Klaviyo email. Thanks for watching.